Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and become a part of our crew. So, if you guys read the title, you know what kind of box we will be unboxing today. I put a poll up on my community tab if you guys wanted me to unbox Ipsy Plus or Boxycharm Base. And everybody, the majority of everybody, I think I just recently checked and it said like 13% for Ipsy and the rest for Boxycharm. So, we have a Boxycharm box to unbox together. The box is a lot bigger than I remember it being. And there's something wrong with the box. So, if you guys would like to see what came in this box, that looks like somebody just literally took a knife to, then just keep on watching. Alrighty, so I'm quite concerned about this box and the condition I received it in. Sorry, having a little bit of breakfast. If you guys like protein shakes, these are absolutely fantastic. So I'm going to keep an open mind, of course, because like we talked about, I kind of stopped unboxing Boxycharm because I just didn't like the shadiness that was going on with Boxycharm. But Ipsy recently purchased Boxycharm, so Ipsy now owns Boxycharm. So I have high hopes, except for the fact that it looks like somebody tried to stab my box. So let's pop in here and see if anything is damaged. I sure hope not. This box, by the way, is huge. I didn't even know that it was damaged right here too. Man, what'd they do to my box? Anyways, I don't remember it being this big. Like, this is the base box. So, isn't it supposed to be a different color inside? That's what she looks like. I thought it was supposed to be a different color inside. So, here it is. The theme is lucky. Everything's on, everything's on the back and prices, and I guess they don't do variations anymore. So, we are gonna, I see some good stuff in here. I'm already excited. So we're just gonna grab this right off the top. This is from Cab, and this is a lip oil in blue raspberry. What? I do really like Cab. This is what it looks like. Wow. It's massive, man. I have a liquid lip and lip liner from this brand, and I absolutely love it. I love it so much. So let's put some of this on. Oh, wow. So it kind of feels like a lip gloss. Wow. It has a very nice scent. It does not have a flavor. Not a good one, at least. It may be blue raspberry, but it don't taste like it. Alrighty, that's nice. I like that. First item. So far, so good. Now we have an item from $1 Billion Brows. My eyebrow pencil that I use is from $1 Billion Brows, and I love it. So this is a brow gel, and let's see if it is a color or if it's just clear. It looks like it's just clear. So that's what the wand looks like. Yeah, it's clear. That's a big old wand, man. I need to pluck my eyebrows so bad. I always tell you guys that, but I never do it. I just need some better tweezers. Very nice. I like it. I like it. Okay, and I love $1 Billion Brows. That's a good company, good products. So far, I'm pretty happy, and there's no damaged products, so that's great. Okay, next up is from Maven Beauty. This is a rose water setting spray. Ooh, look at the packaging. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my gosh. I am a sucker for packaging. I love packaging. Oh, weird. That is orange. That is a neon orange. Okay, let's... Oh, thank God. It doesn't really smell like rose, so that's good. So there we are. That is a good one. Okay. I needed another setting spray. My other setting spray that I use is a rose setting spray, and it smells like rose. I believe it's from Grace and Stella. It's a big old honking bottle, but it's time for a new one. Oh my God. Yes! Glow Recipe! Yes! I love Glow Recipe. Oh my God. Banana Souffle Moisture Cream. Calming and hydrating. I was just like, got out of the shower. I did my mask before a shower. Got out, put on some serum. And I'm like, man, I really wish I had a good moisturizer to put on right now. Ta-da! Yay! Please don't be broken. Please don't be broken. Oh my gosh, why can't I open it? Here we go. Oh my God, it's beautiful. I love it. Does it smell like bananas? Oh, there's a plastic thing on top. It does. It smells like bananas. I'm so excited. Oh, we're putting this on right now. Absolutely. Oh my God, it smells so good. I love Glow Recipe, their packaging, their concepts, their products, everything. Everything about Glow Recipe is just absolutely fantastic. Oh, I'm so excited. I didn't even tell you guys about the box. I was just so excited to get into the box. I didn't even tell you guys anything about it. Okay, so Boxycharm is $25 a month. You will get 5 full-size products in it. They have a beauty quiz you can take to get things a little bit more customized towards you. I'm a firm believer that the only thing they really use the customization quiz for is to get your skin tone. So they can give you like foundations and concealers and stuff that match your skin tone and stuff like that. I feel like that's the only thing they use it for. They also have Premium for $35 a month and Boxy Luxe for $50 a month. So that's a little bit about the box since I just like jumped into this. So far we have 1, 2, 3, 4 products. So we have one more. We have a couple more. I'm so excited. It's because I used a code. When you sign up, they normally have a code, and I'll try to find it and post the code down in my description, that when you sign up, if you use this special code, you will get 1 free item with your box. So first up, we have Venus 3. Oh my God, look at the packaging. Look at it. That is beautiful. This is by Lime Crime. Lime Crime is a very great company as well. It is so beautiful. Wow. Okay, ready for some ASMR? Yes. So we have a mirror, folds back, and that is what the colors look like. Let's swatch a few. So I really want to get into this purple one. This Heavenly kind of looks a little bit like a duo. And then I want to get into a matte. Let's do Ecstasy. They feel a little bit chalky, a little bit, but, you know, that doesn't mean anything. So here is Ecstasy. Oh my God, right? Oh, I thought it was a brown, but it's coming off more like a brownish purple. And then we have this shimmer and the purple shimmer. That's more of like a metallic, I think, that purple right there. Let's see if we can't build up that brown one a little bit. Oh yeah. Definitely buildable. And let's go back into Heavenly. Build that one up a little bit as well. Beautiful. Yes, I am so excited for this. Again, that is the palette right there. And then last but not least, thankfully so far nothing is damaged. This is in some bubble wrap. We have a palette by Hip Dot. And I thought this was super cool because March, the green, St. Patrick's Day. I love the packaging on this one as well. This is another packaging that I will definitely keep my palette in. That's the front, same as the outer packaging. And then it has a mirror. And these are the colors. That'll be a fun one. So it looks like the majority of them are shimmers. Let's take off the plastic. And then it looks like the mattes are all basically like, well, no, that's not true. So we have 3 neutral shades, this one, and this one. And then we have a blue, and then this kind of brownish color here, and then this light blue right here. So let's do a little bit of some swatches. So I definitely want to get into, I want to make sure my fingers are clean. We're going to get into this blue right here. Oh, that feels nice. And I've heard really good things about Hip Dot. So we're going into Maya. And then I want to go into Escape. And wow. And Tulum. You guys. Wow. Like, I love me some Lime Crime, but this is outstanding. So this is Maya. Wow. One swatch. And then Escape. Wow. And Tulum. Oh my God, you guys. I do want to go into Maya. Wow, that is a neon blue. The camera's not picking it up very well, but that is like a neon light blue. Oh, I can't wait to do a look with this. I'll probably do a makeup look with this palette later tonight. My son's going to be here soon, so I don't want to do it right now. But that is the Hip Dot palette and the Venus 3 palette. And I think that I like the Hip Dot palette better. And this was the free product that came with my new subscription. So let's hop into our information card and look at some prices. I believe this one was like $49 or something like that. I'll have to look and put it on the screen. So first up, we have the Lime Crime Venus 3 eyeshadow palette. And this is $38. Wow. And then we have the Glow Recipe, Banana Souffle Moisture Cream. And this is $39. Goodness. The Maven Beauty Rose Water Setting Spray is $22. The Cab Cosmetics Lip Oil is $20. $20 for lip oil? I don't know about that. And then the $1 Billion Brows Clear Brow Gel is $18. So, I will leave on the screen the total price for this box. I paid $25 for this box, and of course, I literally got way more than what I paid for. What did you guys think about this box? Would you like me to continue getting this box and unboxing it? Let me know down below, and I will film a makeup look using the Hip Dot palette. And I love you guys so very much, and I hope you have a wonderful, fantastic day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!